have this feeling every time we choose.
Welcome everyone to Uzi Mumbai, the hub of everything Mumbai City FC,
Better news outlet than Mumbai Mirror.
and there's no denying that fact. Today we're going to be talking about all the contract extensions that have happened, in the past few weeks related to Mumbai City FC. We've seen quite a few, namely three actually. That's Rene Fernandez, Bipin Singh, and Asif from the Youth Academy. And I think it's all these three names are pretty exciting, and they're pretty fascinating to look at and what they bring to the table. Especially Asif, who's a relatively unknown talent, and there's not a lot of information or gameplay footage about him. So it's more on what we've seen across this season in his game that we're going to be reporting about today, and what we expect from him.
Right. Someone choose a number from 2, 3, and 4.
I guess I'll go with the lowest first. That's 2.
Okay. So 2-year contract extension for Bipin Singh coming right up.
Yep.
He had a fairly average season compared to Indian winger standards, but he's a great option to keep some depth in. He's got amazing stamina and he's got the best weak foot in the team. As a lot of players have claimed.
Everyone has claimed.
Yep. Everyone. 2 goals and 0 assists this season. I mean, it's better than none, which was last season. But again, he didn't get many minutes last season. He presses quite well. He runs like a horse, which is amazing. He put in a shift at left back this season, if I'm not wrong, and he did pretty well in that game. Not the best at crossing, but we assume that if Libera comes in and he gets a role like Jackie Chan Singh, then he could get better working in that half space.
Yeah, I think. We fully expect him to play in that role. We think he's very similar to him. Obviously, Jackie has better crossing, but I think it's where you cross from that makes all the difference between Jackie and Bipin Singh. Not
Definitely.
only on the which side of the pitch, but also where on the pitch.
Right, you don't need to put that high of a ball when you're closer to the goal.
Exactly.
Which, would be favorable for Bipin.
Yeah, I think so. I think so too. So now we have 3 and 4 left. Let's go 3.
Yeah.
So we're going to be talking about Rene Fernandez. Now we were thrown off for a bit of a ride here. We were hearing, we had the live Q&A with Rene Fernandez, and everyone was excited. We were all talking with Rainier. It was pretty exciting because right after the Q&A ended, we heard the extension, and I think that was probably one of the best ways to break the news out for Mumbai City fans. Everyone here loves him. You ask any Mumbai City fan, they're going to say Mumbai Chachawa gone. And personally, I don't think any Mumbai City fan will say that it's a bad extension. I think everyone's absolutely excited. If you look at his numbers, this year he's played more games, but he's played less minutes, which I don't know. He's come off the bench a lot more, so I don't think it's fair justification to compare him to last season. He was very good last season. He got the Indian national team call up as well. But stats wise, this year he has 1 goal that came against Jamshedpur, a fabulous strike, and 2 assists. If you look at his stats, he's not the best crosser. Although I think one of his assists was a whipped in ball from the left, where he almost changed his position and he whipped the ball in with his right from the left hand side. It was an excellent cross. You look at his chances. He 10 key passes, 12 chances created, 79% pass accuracy throughout the game, throughout the season, and I think overall he's had a very good season considering he hasn't continuously played. He's had that start-stop season to him.
Right. Got injured in between as well.
Yeah, and I just think he deserved more from the season, especially considering how Larbi was playing. I thought in his position, Rene would have been a much better fit, a much better player. But I think this year now, because he's here for 3 more years, considerably a long-term contract. We don't see a lot of 5-year contracts in India. 3 years is like a massive deal for all of us, and I truly think 3 years could lead to 5, could lead to 10. I don't know. I just want him to stay for as long.
Best part is he's spending his prime with us.
Yeah.
So we know he's down for it, and I think we can see a lot more of him because a player of his caliber wouldn't enjoy being a backup. So
Exactly. I think it comes down to the fact that he wants to play here and he loves the city, he loves the team, and I think we're really starting to see that we're a family, not just for namesake, but we truly are a family. Kind of an ordeal going on in Mumbai City, and I'm just really excited, and I can't wait to see him next year under a different system which suits him a little bit more than what the previous system suited him.
Right, yeah. Gonna get 11 on my jersey next season for sure.
I already have 11 on my jersey, both my jerseys. I did it before Rainier, so. Well, anyways, so the third and the longest contract extension we've ever had is Asif Khan. Shlok, you've seen him play. I've seen him play. What do you think about him?
So we'd seen him during the preseason matchup against, I think, Air India and one against Kashmir.
Yeah.
And from what I can say, that guy has bags of confidence. He is so comfortable on the ball. He knows what he's doing. You don't see those nerves coming in. Right? Great skill on the ball. Knows how to cut his man. Knows how to give out passes.
He's just really silky. He's velvety. The way he moves with the ball. The way he can manipulate the ball. People talk about Sahal, but I think Asif's probably better. I'm not going to go ahead and say that with a lot of confidence, but I think next 2 years you're going to see a lot more of Asif Khan, and you're going to see a lot more out of him than what we've seen with other players. In
Just
the Indian
19. This is his first club. Like he's not coming out through any other academy, he's not coming out of a setup like Arrows or something like that. He's coming out from our under 18.
He's our product. He's our product.
Our player. Exactly.
There's just so much pride in the whole statement. I've seen him play in college tournaments as well. I've seen him play in 5-a-sides. I've seen him play 7-a-sides. It just suits him because he's just so silky on the ball and so skillful. He had a very good outing in the Natkani Cup as well. We crashed out in the semis against a very good Air India side, but considering we were playing our reserves, under 21s, and the coach Mohan Das, I know him personally, and I think the way he coaches these kids, it's just truly beautiful because he demands versatility, which a lot of his players have. It's Asif, Nakul. They can play anywhere. They can play striker, they can play CDM, they can play on the middle of the pitch, right, left, you name it. And I think that brings about that, skill in him. He knows how to cut, he knows how to shoot, he knows how to pass, he knows how to look for the killer ball, he knows how to cross. It's just, it's a complete player for me.
When you speak defensively as well, he's pretty good at pressing. He has that stamina. He's not going to stop running. And I think that's just coming out of the Maharashtra system, MDFA, very physical league and very taxing as well.
That's
great.
You play 16-year-olds and you play 50-year-olds in the MDFA, so you need to have that physicality in you. If you're not physical enough, then you have to be graceful enough. You have to be skilled enough to get past the players. And I think he has both. He presses, he runs, he's a workhorse. And I'm just truly very happy and excited to see him here for the next 4 years. And hopefully more.
Definitely. He's going to be like an icon. He is going to be a legend if he's going to stay for long enough.
I truly hope so. Well, I think that's it for today. What do you guys think about the extensions? Do any of them not deserve it? I mean, I don't think so, but if you have an argument against it, we'd love to hear your comments and your thoughts down in the comments. Make sure to like, share and subscribe the video, and we'll see you soon.